morning. Hello, good morning, asset builders all over the world. Are you excited for our 90-day program batch 12? Sure ako, yung mga students natin excited na talaga kasi bukas na talaga mag-start, no? So, we have our affirmations for this morning. Please, sabayan niyo po ako, no? Kung nakikinig kayo ngayon dyan, sabayan niyo ako. So, I can and I will. I am enough. I choose happiness. I am whole. I won't give up. I am powerful. I am unstoppable. I am grateful. I am in control. I am healthy. I am abundant. I am beautiful. I am successful. I am worthy. Yes or yes? Okay, practice lagi natin tong affirmations, no? Lalo na sa journey natin sa 90, no? Araw-araw dapat sa morning simulan talaga natin with actions. Yes or yes? Yes. Okay. So, again, no, welcome to our class orientation 90-day program batch 12. So, please tag all your mga students, no? To all the mentors, huwag niyong kalimutan itag yung mga students nyo for today's orientation, no? Please mention their names talaga, no? So, to formally welcome you all for this morning's event, please help me welcome, no? Our opening remarks. She is a cum laude o Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, eventologist, business owner, awardee of Lifestyles Rookie of the Year 2020 and 2021 Lifestyles Dynamic Duo awardee. Please help me welcome Global Marketing Director, Rica Paez. The mic is yours, GMD.
Morning, good morning, and welcome. Welcome to the Lifestyle School of Millionaires. Are you excited? Are you all happy? And of course, I know that this batch, the batch 12, will be more excited for this new 3 months, 90 days momentum program. Yes or yes? Type yes on the comment box, of course. As we all know, going back to college or high school or any, if you're going to start, it's gonna be a very exciting day for all of us. At dahil dyan, we are encouraging everyone to please don't forget, as we all know that there are 3 keys to success, and that is first, have a dream big. If you're going to limit your dreams, of course, you're limiting everything. So this time, as we start the 90-day momentum program, we have to start it right. We have to start it big. So dream big. And of course, work for your dreams.
So, thank you so much, GMD Rica. So, yun nga, no, ini-encourage yung GMD Rica, lahat ng students po na talaga laban lang talaga, no? And we have to go out sa comfort zone natin because sabi nga ni GMD Eva, our comfort zone, no, doon po namamatay yung ating mga dreams, no? Kaya talaga kung may big dreams tayo for our family, we have to step out sa comfort zone natin kasi doon natin makikita yung mga leaders natin. Through sa 90-day program, through sa every battle of intra, leaders po ang hinahanap natin dyan, no? Yes or yes? Kaya tanim lang ng tanim talaga. Kasi sabi, 90 days of pain for a lifetime of gain. Thank you so much, GM Derica. So ngayon po, no, to tell us about our rules for the 90-day program, please help me welcome our first speaker. She is a registered nurse by profession, passionate leader, 2016 runner-up of the Lifestyle's highest personal group volume, PGV, 2018 awardee of Lifestyles Club Team Player, 2021 nominee of Lifestyle's highest organizational growth. Please help me welcome Global Marketing Director, Milagros Rocamora. The spotlight is...
Good morning, batch 12 of our 90-day momentum program. So my task is to tell you about what we are supposed to do with this momentum that we are going to do in the next 3 months. So first thing is, We have, okay, program starts on November 1 to 30th of the month of November. Second month, December 1 to 31. Third month will be on January 1 to 31. So why 3 months? Because we want to pump up the volume, you know, and be a deserving graduate for the Batch 12 90-day momentum program. And you know, first things first, there are 5 things that we need before we start this program. First things first, we must have a lot of products, at least 2 instant direct package. And then may list of people tayo, you know, and by the way, ang passing mark po natin ay 70%. So how do we get this? We'll get to this later on. And number 3, what's next? Okay, so the manner of computation is the numerator is the number of days target achieved. So that's our, kailangan po talaga, we need at least, what do you call this? 25 ang denominator natin, tapos ang numerator natin is the number of days target achieved. Bakit kayo magugulat? Bakit 25 lang? Kasi nga, we only have, of course, we need to rest. So the very constant denominator natin will be 25. And I'd like to add pala kanina, no? So the 5 things that we need is, isasabihin ko lang muna ito ha. So the 5 things that we need is we need to have the products. Of course, we need to have the list of people. Starting from our relatives and friends, makikita natin ito sa Jumpstart Basic. The triggered question, makikita natin ito sa Jumpstart Basic din. The referrals, makikita natin ito sa Jumpstart Add-ons. And of course, the prospecting tool guide is still being seen at Jumpstart Add-on. With our list of people, sunod nito is the script. Kailangan talaga duplicatable in how to do is setting appointments, in how to do home visit. This can be seen also in a Jumpstart Basic. And of course, hindi ho pwedeng wala tayong business plan. Kailangan may business plan to tayong binibitbit, hindi po pwede na mere chika-chika lang. Kailangan po talaga ang business plan. And of course, our pocket monitor. The pocket monitor kasi is very imperative because this is how we are going to base our responsibilities in our mission every single day. Yes or yes? Pwede bang makita ang yes dyan? Okay, so the following are considered 1-day target achieved. 1 bottle sold or 3 STPs a day. So, it is also considered target achieved kung nag one-on-one startup training ka with sign up, which includes the 5 to 10 times na STP, sinamahan mo yung new sign up mo. Sasamahan, tuturuan, tutulungan at gagabayan. So after that, 2:1 STP, and then considered also din ang may training ka na one-on-one new distributor success orientation and one-on-one Jumpstart training. Then any sign up, including po 2,000 lang na membership, it is considered target achieved. And your personal home meeting. So, pwede din ma-consider ito na target achieved. And of course, if you attended any of the following, RLT, MBA, Super Mega Hope, National Gala, Christmas Party, and incentives. So, related travels are not included. Okay, next slide. So, only those new people and new order are considered as part of the target. Reorder and follow-up are not included. For example, kung meron kang na-push na bottle na 8 bottles today, hindi mo siya i-offset sa coming days mo na you're good with the whole week already. So, kailangan talaga only new people and new order are considered as part of the target. Yes or yes? Pwede nyo ba akong ulanan ng yes dyan? Oh, yes. All right. So, si Facebook user, hindi siya nag-register. Okay, next. So, paano ba mag-graduate? So, to graduate for level 1, kailangan 2 out of 3 months magpasa. So, paano ba ito? Let's say, sa first month mo, pumasa ka. The second month mo, pumasa ka. On the third month, medyo hindi mo na-meet yung goal mo. So, still, you pass. Pero pagka 3 out of 3 hindi ka pumasa, syempre hindi ka pumasa. No? So, it must be 2 out of 3 months. And then, sa level 2, must be 3 out of 3 months na pumasa. Sa level 3, 3 months of 3 months pass. Of course, you must be a qualifier. Dapat qualified ka for that specific month. Ano? Dapat nag-qualify ka talaga. Kasi we are a product-driven business, so no product, obviously, you can get it talaga to pass. And for the masteral, 3 out of 3 months pass, plus your elite promotion. And for the doctoral, this is only open to GMDs, so you have downline elite promotion every month wherein you are the nearest elite. This is the challenge that we GMDs wanted to do whatever it takes para talaga maging doctoral na. Yes or yes? Yes. Next. So to compute the first honor in your class, enrollees at the beginning of the class should have a minimum of 5 students in the entire class. Alangan naman kasi na iisa lang ang student mo, tapos obviously meron kang first honor. Hindi pwede, no? Kailangan may minimum tayo na 5 students in the entire class. Okay, then among the passers who got the highest promotion and the candidate, thank you Intra Fel Aguilar, no? So, the candidate must be present in most of our events and visible sa Good Morning World. No, according to GMD Eva, this is the best tool to invite or to prospect sa Good Morning World. Kailangan post ng post ng post sa Good Morning World because you'll never know na ang inad mo dyan sa Good Morning World na prospect mo ay ma-inspire talaga siya sa daming post na nakikita niya everyday. Diba? And kung nag-tie naman, who got the highest grade? So, syempre, yung nag-elite siya, like sample, no, yung may nag-tie ng grade sa students mo. So, ang basihan natin na maging first honor sa class is the one who got the higher promotion. So, kung walang nag-elite, sino yung naging ED6QLPL? So, yun ang basihan to get the first honor class pin. Okay, next. So, how to accelerate a student? So, may acceleration pala dito, no? So, the passer in level 1 to 3 can be accelerated to masteral if he or she gets the elite promotion and pass the 3 months during the period. So, for example, you are a new sign-up ngayon and you enroll the 90-day momentum program. Tapos po, dumiretso ka in just period of 3 months, naging elite leader ka kaagad, or kahit naging ED6QLPL ka. So, you can be accelerated to go to masteral. No? Yes or yes? Yes. Next. So, next is the packet monitor is the basis of the grading. So, with our packet monitor kasi, for example, sa this coming November 1 tomorrow, sa November 1, meron kang STP for the day, and you made it to 2 STP, tapos on your third STP, may nag-sign up na isa, so let's put a star on it sa November 1, meaning, achieve mo yung packet monitor mo for your daily target. Then, the second day, nag-sign up na naman yung na-STP mo, nag-express direct pa, wow, another target achieved. So, you put a star on it. Why we need to put a star? Para madali lang mag-count. No, you meaning updated ka per day. So, on the third, November 3, may nakausap ka, nakinig lang, no? So, you put a shade kung nakinig lang at hindi bumili. on the second person that you did STP, bumili na naman siya ng isang bote. Wow, another target achieved. So, on the 4th naman of November, are you following me with your pocket monitor? Okay, so kung sa November 4 naman, may na-istipihan ka, tapos hindi siya bumili, ayan, lagyan ng shade. So, the second person na nakausap mo, tapos hindi na naman siya bumili, nag-STP ka, so another shade na naman yun sa November 4. Sa third, thank you NMD Carol. So, sa third person na na-STP mo, tapos hindi pa rin bumili, wow, ang galing, praktisado ka na. STP pa more, that's how we do it, no? Para maging bihasa ka sa paggagawa ng STP. Di baling walang bumili, basta't nakapag-STP ka. So that's your third STP. Wow, target achieved pa rin yan. Di ba? So, madali lang ba mag-STP or to do the pocket monitor? Of course, madali lang. So, sa November 5, may na-STP ka na naman, no? Hindi naman bumili. Ayan, shade na naman. Tapos, pangalawang tao sa November 5, ayan, shade na naman, di ba? Tapos, pangatlo, wala pa rin, shade pa rin. Wow, another day achieved, no? Target achieved. Meaning, mas biyasang-biyasa ka na, naka-another 3 STP ka. Hindi mo lang alam na hindi ka pala na-reject. Sila pala ang nag-reject ng opportunity para sa kanila. Anong nangyari sa'yo? Mas naging magaling kang mag-STP. Diba? At naging, anong tawag dito? No mercy ba? Tama, no? No mercy ka na talaga. Referral pa more STP, sabi ni Fiel, no? Of course, no? So sa 6, sa 7, sa 8, let's say lang guys, no? For the whole month of November, meron kang 21 target achieved, no? Kinount mo ang mga stars in the next coming days. So, pagtingin mo, wow, umabot ka ng 21 target achieved stars, no? For the month of November. So, ang pinaka-constant natin na denominator is 25. So, how to get the grade? Dapat alam mo to, ha? Para hindi na masyadong maraming gagawin si mentor. Ikaw, ang gagawin mo na lang is yung total number of target achieved mo, i-divide mo sa constant na 25 days, no? Na denominator. So, itry nyo nga, 21 divided by 25. Ano ba ang grade? Pwede ko bang makita ang answer dyan? 21 divided by 25. So, 21 divided by 25. Wow, 84%! Meaning, pumasa ka, ang galing-galing mo. Kasi ang passing grade natin, di ba? Sabi ko kanina, 70%. Wow! So, meaning to say, 1 down for 1 month and 2 to go. So, naging madali lang ba? Of course, napakadali. Yes or yes? So, ikaw magbibigay ng grade mo sa mentor mo, ha? So, kung naging honest ka talaga sa pocket monitor mo, hindi mo niloloko ang upline mo, sarili mo. Okay? So, ikaw ang gagawa ng pocket monitor mo, ikaw ang basihan ng sarili mong pocket monitor, at ikaw ang gagawa. Yes, Mia, 84%. Tama, thank you. Yes, NMD Carol. It's so easy, sabi ni Fiel. So, madali lang ba? This pocket monitor is available po sa Business Owners Pro, and you need to have 3. So, meaning, dito po, mabibili po natin ito sa opisina, 50 pesos po. Pero kung if you're from out of town, you can really download this sa Business Owners Pro. Yes or yes? Alright, so take note, ha? Ikaw ang gagawa ng pocket monitor mo. Okay, so ang cut-off ng pocket monitor natin, ang cut-off natin sa ating daily target is everyday, ha? Ulitin ko, walang offsetting. Kung nakabenta ka ng 1 box of Intra ngayon, hindi mo pwedeng i-offset sa next coming 6 days mo. So, it is being target monitored for that specific day. Alright. So, at saan na ba tayo? Next slide. Ayan, ayun, sabi ko, cut off is always daily, no offsetting in any other day. So if you have 8 bottles sold today, that's good for that day only. Yes or yes? Yes. Next slide. So STP is, of course, must be used with our business plan and the PowerPoint presentations. Guys, gamitin nyo please ang Business Owners Pro. Maging magaan talaga ang gagawin mo dahil doon pwede mo talagang pagsalitain si GMD Eva, no? May mga presentations doon, na mga whole presentations sa asset building, no? Ang daming paraan talaga na pwede kang mag-virtual presentations, no? Through Zoom, FB, and other online tools are valid STP. Huwag puro chika lang ha. Kailangan talaga ng business plan and the PowerPoint presentation. Madali lang ba? Pwedeng makita dyan na yes, madali lang. Yes, napakadali lang. Use your tools, not to be a fool. Yes, GMD Eva, no? I'm so grateful talaga with the Team Global, even the team, sila NMD Gen, no? Yan talaga ginagamit nila ng Business Owners Pro. Sila si NMD Carol, si Ma'am Carol talaga ang galing-galing sa online, no? So, please, no, gamitin nyo talaga ang Business Owners Pro. Okay, next slide. The group Jumpstart and DSO, Hope, and Mindset Training are not counted as part of the target. So, hindi siya part sa, sa target na na-achieve mo kung nag-attend ka lang with a group. It must be one-on-one. So, clear ito ha. Clear ko talaga ito kay GMD Eva. So, it must be one-on-one because we need to present one-on-one Jumpstart talaga, NDSO, and may hope tayo na sarili or home meeting na sarili mo. So, it is not counted talaga. Okay? Yes or yes? Yes. So, and then, welcome once again to our 90-day Momentum Program Batch 12 for our class orientation. So, before, I'm done na yata with my task, no? So, I'll just leave this very simple message, don't ever think that you will fail. Because if you do so, then you're really going to fail. You fail without a fight. So dito, no mercy. Do whatever it takes talaga tayo dito sa 90-day program natin to build your momentum, to have a lot of promotion, to start believe in your capacity that you are worthy, you are a GMD, whatever it takes. Rejection is only a redirection. Huwag kang masiraan ng loob kung na-reject ka sa STP mo. Hindi mo lang alam na ipalaki mo yung self-confidence mo every time na ma-reject ka. And dapat pa nga, pag ni-reject ka, pasalamatan mo yung taong nag-reject sa'yo kasi mas alam mo ang worth mo. Kasi the opportunity is for them eh. Alam mo na kasi yung opportunity. So kung ni-reject ka, actually, siya nag-reject sa opportunity na sana naman dapat ay may mangyaring maganda sa buhay niya. Yung passport sa dreams natin, this is it. This is it. Ang 90-day Momentum Program. Kasi dreams are being realized when you do whatever it takes to do the daily target to get your 90-day Momentum Program. And we are selling freedom here, no? To this program that we have. We are not just selling intra. Always remember that what we are selling is the time freedom that we wanted to achieve in the event that we are not capable to work anymore. The passive income is very important. And leverage to enjoy passive income with lifestyles. And wag mong sabihin na, hindi talaga ako marunong. Uy, paano ba yan, no? Anong mantra na gagawin mo na ngayon? All skills are learnable. Pwede bang makita ang all skills are learnable dyan? All skills are learnable. When you learn, no? All skills are learnable. Pwede, naantay ko talaga. All skills are learnable. Ayan, no one can harm you. Ayan. Inaantay ko talagang all skills are learnable. Ayan, Grace, hi from La Union, all skills are learnable. Lerna, Marimar, Intra Hagna, of course, when you learn from every step of the way to be a GMD, what will happen? We build assets and be free. With that, thank you and good morning. Good luck, guys.
Thank you so much, GMD Miles, for that very clear explanation about our 90-day program rules. Madali lang ba, no? Alam ko, sabi dyan, no, ni NMD Phil, sobrang dali lang daw. At alam ko, no, malinaw na para sa inyo kung paano pumasa. So since malinaw na kung paano pumasa, at this juncture, please help me welcome our second speaker that will explain the things needed in the program. He is a former public school teacher in Cebu City for 10 years and graduate of Masters in School Administration and Supervision. 2019 Life Builders Club Duplication Champion Awardee, 2019 Lifestyles Breakthrough Leader Awardee, 2022 Lifestyles Ambassador of the Year, summa cum laude 90-day program batch 2. Please help me welcome Global Marketing Director Ramil Katarman.
Good morning, students! Yes or yes, good morning to all our more than 1,000 students in this 90-day Momentum Program Batch 12. Yes or yes, are you all excited? Because I'm still on fire. Yes or yes? So, remember, I am challenging all the students to become one of the summa cum laudes because yours truly is the summa cum laude of Batch 2. Yes or yes? So, how to graduate as summa cum laude in this batch. I am challenging everyone. So of course, ito lang yon. So, may slide please. Okay. So these are all the requirements needed. Ito yung kailangan para magiging not just an ordinary graduate, but an extraordinary one. Summa cum laude yung goal natin, everyone. So there are things to prepare, no? Tulad ng, of course, number one, kailangan natin ng products. Bawal mag-STP, bawal mag-share, bawal mag-field work kapag walang products because we are not, this is a duplication business kasi ito talaga yung dapat sundan lahat ng mga business partners natin. Dapat may products talaga. No products means no business. Yes or yes? Ano pa? Of course, number 2 is dapat kailangan natin gumamit ng business plan. Bawal mag-memorize, no? You will not be duplicated. Buti yung mga matatalino, pwede kapag matatalino, pwede yung walang business plan, but this is a duplication business. It's a must and it's a must and 100% kailangan talaga natin ng tool. Business plan talaga, no? So kailangan we just read simply our business plan, basahin lang. It's not about the kuan, it's not about the tool, but you really have to read because facts will tell, but it's your own story that will sell the product. So we need business plan to present our products and business. Yes or yes? Yes. Ano pa? Number 3. Ito, yung number 3. We need to record everything. Kailangan natin ng monitoring to evaluate, to check, to double check what's going on with our field works. No, kailangan talaga natin ng packet monitor. Doon natin i-record lahat ng mga activities natin. Battle sold, for follow-up, sign up, everything. Yes or yes? Yes. Yung packet monitor is the basis of the grading, who will graduate and who will be awarded, who will be the awardees of this batch, 90-day Momentum Program Batch 12. Yes or yes? Yes, I am excited because I am on fire, because I am excited once again to give my all in the field. Yes or yes? Number 4, of course, kailangan din natin mga listed people. There must be continuity of our list of people para tuloy-tuloy yung mga ginawa natin, no? So there are guides, no? Triggered questions on your manual. Dapat i-open yung mga triggered questions nyo sa manual nyo para tuloy-tuloy yung mga activities nyo. Alam nyo kung saan kayo magpunta, anong pupuntahan nyo. So open your manual, no? Triggered questions, no? Yes or yes, kailangan natin ng mga maraming list of people because we are we are tasked to talk 3 to 5 people every day, no? So kailangan natin ng maraming mga list of people. Of course, aside from which prospecting is everything. You really have to make friends sa mga strangers, no? Yes or yes? Yes. Number 5, ano pa? Of course, number 5 is setting appointment script, no? Kailangan nating yung mga busy na kakausapin natin, yung mga prospect natin na mga busy, kailangan talaga natin may matutunan kung paano sila i-set appointment, yung mga busy people at saka working people. Since they are very busy, since they are working, so we need their we need their complete name at saka cellphone number at saka i-set natin yung appointment. DPT lang talaga, date, place, and time. For the script, so kailangan natin na i-open at mag-study doon sa manual natin. Mag-self-study tayo sa doon sa manual natin. Yes or yes? Yes, madali lang yung setting appointment kasi of course, no? Of course, everything talaga ika-copy lang natin from our manual. Yes or yes? Yes. Next, what is number 6? Home visit, no? So, sino ba yung home visit natin? Home visit natin. So, may script din tayo sa manual natin. Sila yung mga tao na anytime na pwede natin puntahan. They are not busy, they are not working, nasa bahay lang sila. So, kung alam nyo na wala silang trabaho, nasa bahay lang, so puntahan agad. So, for the script for that, nasa manual natin, dapat i-open na yung script dyan. Study. So, kailangan lang natin mag-study, give time to study, give time to learn, no? Give ample time for everything para, of course, ma-duplicate natin yung system natin. Yes or yes? Are you all excited? Yes. Ano pa? Number 7. Meron pa ba? Number 7 is prospecting scripts. So, ito yon. Kasi our business is a business of strangers, no? Talking to strangers, no? Ang yung pinaka-best na magiging business partners natin dito, mga clients natin, mga prospects natin are strangers. So, kailangan, we really have to master prospecting, no? For the script for this, so nasa manual din natin, kailangan talaga na each one of our distributor, kailangan talaga may manual for the reference of everything na ano gagawin natin dito sa business natin. So, kailangan talaga, so katulad ko, of course, kahit saan ako magpunta, kahit anong ginawa ko, maka-share talaga ako, maka-meeting talaga ako, maka-stipit talaga ako, at saka makabinta talaga ako ng mga bottles. Yes or yes? You won't make it without prospecting. Talaga, oo, talaga. Sabi ni Jem de Eva. Kasi yung business mo magsisimula na talaga pag ubos na yung mga kakilala mo. Doon na magsimula yung business mo. So you will be talking to a lot of people talaga. Strangers. I love strangers. So sana ganun din kayo. Try to love strangers na dapat you really have to master prospecting talaga. So sa manual natin, nandoon na yung lahat. You really need to have a lot of time for this, no? Study it by yourself, no? Yes or yes? Yes. Ano pa? Meron pa ba? Of course, kailangan natin basahin yung batch 12 rules talaga. Para, of course, again, what's honesty, no? Honest is the best policy. Kailangan talaga dito maging honest tayo. Honest talaga. Transparency, honesty is the best policy talaga. No, yes or yes? Yes, kasi ikaw talaga yung mag-record sa lahat ng mga dito. So, kailangan mo maintindihan mo, malaman mo, alam mo talaga kung ano yung rules natin sa 90-day momentum program natin. Para alam mo talaga yung yung mga target mo everyday. Daily is cut off. 12 midnight is cut off. Day, no offsetting talaga. Yes or yes? Yes. So, new people every day. Ano pa? Meron pa ba? Of course. Next, please. Of course, ito lang. The road to success is through commitment. Kailangan mo talagang mag-commit dito. Kasi if you are half-hearted dito, if you're not committed talaga, kapag if you do this, take for granted lang talaga yung paggawa mo dito, oh my God, mahirapan ka talaga dito gawin yung business. Mahirapan ka talaga dito kung paano maging successful sa lifestyles. Kailangan talaga ng 100% commitment talaga. Not from your uplines, not from your downlines, but from yourself. Talagang committed talaga within talaga, no? Of course, ano pa? Next slide, please. Ano pa? Consistency is better than perfection. We can all be consistent. Perfection is impossible. So, consistency is more powerful than intensity. Kailangan mo talagang maging consistent. Not just sa beginning, not just sa simula. Katulad ko, when I started lifestyles, I am very consistent, no? I am very consistent with my activities. Kailangan talaga ma-stretch mo yung ano mo, yung energy mo, yung excitement mo. Ma-stretch mo talaga from the start till the end. Remember, this is only 90 days. What is 90 days? 3 months only. O, napakababa talaga, no? Hindi ka talaga ma-challenge, no? Pag hindi ka naka-graduate dito sa 90 days, pag hindi mo na natapos itong 90 days, ikaw na yung isa sa mga pinakabanga na estudyante. Yes or yes? Yes, mahirapan ka talaga baguhin yung buhay mo. Hindi mo nga kaya ituloy yung 90 days. Paano na yung mga dreams mo? Yes or yes? No? So stretch your excitement, stretch your energy, stretch your all, stretch yourself. Go out talaga sa comfort zone mo. Ano pa? Of course, next please. Ano pa? Give your best effort because you are worth your best effort. Yes or yes? Yes. Talagang dapat i-give mo yung all mo. Dapat ang lahat-lahat, dapat wala ka nang iwan sa bahay. Dapat every time na lalabas ka, mag-stay ka, mag-field works ka, dapat yung all mo talaga ibigay mo, yung best mo talaga ibigay mo, parang wala ka nang regrets. Yes or yes? Ano pa? Ito, last na to. Do what you love and love what you do. Don't do anything for money. Everything should be for love. Yes or yes? So, kailangan mo talagang gawin yung business all out of love. No selfless. Grabe. Yung love talaga, yung pinaka-importante. Kasi pag love mo talaga yung ginawa mo, hindi ka mahirapan. Pag love mo talaga yung ginawa mo, excited ka. Pag love mo yung ginawa mo, happy ka talaga. Yes or yes? Of course, pag love mo yung ginawa mo, magiging successful ka. So, kasi, do this for your family, for yourself, and for the people around you. I hope, kasi ako, I am a product of 90-day program. I am summa cum laude. I am challenging everyone. Yung mga malalaking dreams, sana maging cum laude tayo lahat. No? Summa cum laude tayo lahat para, of course, yung mga dreams talaga natin matutupad. Thank you so much. I hope na-touch ko yung mga heart nyo. Sana ma-inspired kayo. Sana makagraduate kayo lahat sa 90-day Momentum Program Batch. So thank you so much and God bless everyone. Good morning. See you at the field.
So ngayon po, no, to give us the right mindset in this business, let me call on our third speaker, our main speaker, for her inspirational message or inspirational talk. She is a marketing management graduate, 4 years employed in private company, Lifestyles full-time business owner, 2019 Life Builders Club Best Trainer Awardee, 2020 Lifestyles Breakthrough Leader Awardee. Please help me welcome Global Marketing Director, Cora Rosell.
Yes, good morning everyone and congratulations to our 1,042 students for batch 12. And syempre, congratulations din sa ating mga mentors. Wow, this is an exciting another batch, no? Pang 12 na batch na to. So, kami, of course, ako personally, I am very excited na makikita yung mag-graduate na naman for this batch 12. So, ako nung dati, I got the award, the NERA Award and the Deborah Award. Wow, ang ganda-ganda talaga kasi yung effort nyo dito as a student of our 90-day Momentum Program, talagang nakikita yan. So, ang gandang gawin everyday na naka-enroll ka sa 90-day program. So, lahat ba ready na? So nakikita ko sa mga attendees, we only have 300 plus attendees. So meaning to say, mentors, marami pa tayong gagawin after this kasi yung ibang students natin are not around. So we really need to feed them kung ano yung dapat kasi this is not something. When we say batch 12, of course, marami ang nag-prepare nito, maraming people ang involved behind this batch, especially our Manny Ferry, GMD Eva Aradillos, the brain of all this. So, yan, hindi to basta-basta. So, kailangan natin may gagawin talaga tayo. Okay? So, I suggest, I would like to request everyone to please, take down notes kasi it's very important, especially yung mga bago. Yes, good morning, Ma'am Juliana Conchas, good morning sa lahat. Okay, so, ano talaga, it's important na magte-take down notes tayo, especially kung students, kasi time will come that you really need all this mindset trainings para meron kang ma-share sa group mo. So, yung iba, screenshots, but for sure, yung mga screenshots nyo, even to review, pwede pa yang makalimutan. So, just get ready with your notebook and your pen. So, eto na ngayon. Dahil nag-enroll kayo. So, what are you willing to give up to go up? So, this topic, I borrowed this from GMD Peng Mendoza. Nakikita ko talaga na this can really help. Kasi nga even ako natulungan ako dito. So, are you really willing to give up something so you can go up? Paki-type dyan ng yes. Okay, yes lang tayo ng yes dito. So, are you a finisher? Kasi every time we ask, sino yung mag-enroll for 90-day momentum program? Yes, ang daming nagsasubmit. So, in the beginning, maraming excited. But my question, are you willing to finish it? Okay, kasi kailangan tapusin. Kung ilang beses ka nang nag-enroll dito, you need to do something this 2023 that you really can answer this question. Are you a finisher? Then type, yes, I will finish this race. Okay, next slide. Okay, so kung starter ka lang, mahirap yan. Kasi wala ka talagang matatapos. Kung you are just a starter. In the beginning, yes, you are part of it. You are excited. You are joining our orientation. Nag-STP ka kaagad on the first day, second day, the third day. Pero nung, nasa halfway of the month ka na, dun na naman. Hindi mo na naman tinapos. Yan, sabi ni Miss Ivy, I will finish it. Yes, kailangan talagang tapusin. You should make a promise to yourself and to God na kailangan mo tong tapusin. Don't start and never finishing it. Okay? So, again, what are you willing to give up to go up? Kasi dito wala tayong intention. Bakit pinag-isipan to ni GMD Eva ang 90-day momentum program? Kasi this is the best program na meron tayong direction na kung ano yung pagsimulan natin, we will finish it. Okay? So, yung excitement from day 1 up to the end, dapat you sustain it. Tapusin mo talaga na excited ka. So after that, gagraduate kayo, then excited pa rin. Okay? So sabi nga ni Jessamay Castro, I'm willing to finish this. So congratulations. You really need to finish it. Okay? So you need to finish it. What you have started. So eto na yung award ko noon, as while I was International Marketing Director, I've got this Deborah Award and the NERA Award. So, I know it's not easy. Kung babalik-balikan ko nga, mapaluha ako eh. Kasi, I know, I can relate with you mga students. Yung mainit sa labas, yung umuulan sa labas, but why do we need to do this 90-day momentum program? Yes, palagi akong emotional when it comes to this kasi nga when I enrolled this program, talagang nahirapan ako kasi even pamasahe wala. But I'm so thankful. Yung mga awards na yan, the Deborah and the Nera Award, nakaungkit na yan sa puso ko. Kaya nga, thank you GMD Eva for choosing me to be the main speaker. Okay? So, talagang naka-connect ako dito sa 90-day momentum program. But, yung mga students, please, don't na sabihin nyo, ay, pangit kasi yung mentor namin kasi hindi nagpa-follow up. You don't need follow up. Just focus, okay? Huwag kayong dependent na meron kayong mentor, but it is your duty. Dahil nag-enroll kayo, so it is your duty, it is your responsibility na everyday, kahit hindi ka pina-follow up ng mentor mo, may ginagawa ka na naka-align ka sa program natin. Okay? So promise it to yourself na even without your mentor na nagpa-follow up every day, ikaw mismo, you are so driven kasi nga you promised to finish what you have started. Okay, next slide. So, you need to finish what you have started. So, check what you need to give up. So, ano ba yan? Kasi maraming bagay dito na kailangan natin i-give up. But I will only discuss 5. Yan, sabi ni Nelfa, nalansang na daw siya sa level 3. Yes, kailangan mo nang tapusin talaga to. Mag-graduate ka na, Nelfa Baoy. Okay, so number 1 na i-give up mo dito is your excuses. Sobrang dami. Even an hour in DSO, yan, yung excuses na yan, palagi yang dinidiscuss. Okay, so excuses, it is your very convenient. It is your most convenient lie for not doing what you should do. Napakadali pong maghanap, no, ng paraan na yung mga excuses natin, bakit hindi natin to ipagpatuloy. Okay? Yun nga, pagsabihin, kasi wala akong pamasahe. Ang hirap niyan. Walang nakakalusot sa akin. Yung mga downlines ko, talagang I do not buy their reasons. Pagsabihin nilang hindi nakapunta kasi walang pamasahe, hindi ko yan tinatanggap, no? Kasi yung mga excuses na yan, when I started this business, yung pamasahe ko, 10 pesos nga lang yung nasa coin purse ko. Pero bakit nakapunta ako dun? Kasi naglalakad ako just to para mapuntahan ko yung appointment ko. Yung 10 pesos ko na yun na nung dati, yes, sabi ni Jum de Eva, easy not to do it. No? So it's the culprit kasi napakadalit ng, ay naku, wag na lang muna. Naku, ang lakas-lakas ng ulan, hindi ako pwedeng lumabas, baka magbabaha. No? So ano pa? Naubusan ako ng products. No? Paano na yan? So kaninong kasalanan yan kung wala ka ng products? Sobrang dami dito. Kung excuses lang, magbabaha dyan ng excuses. Pero yung mga seryoso talaga dito sa business na to, wala kaming excuses na maisulat dahil we are all using our excuses to do this business. Yung iba, naku, hindi ako pwede mag-enroll dyan kasi walang magti-take care sa mga anak ko, walang magpi-prepare ng foods nila, wala nang time sa family kung mag-i-enroll ako ng 90-day momentum program. Later na lang ako mag-enroll pag malaki na yung mga anak ko. We don't know what's going to happen pagdating ng panahon. So, dapat mag-enroll. Ngayon nga, yung mga nag-enroll, kayo yung concern ko dito. Okay? So, may iba, sabihin pa, kasi wala akong car, ang bigat-bigat ng products. So, make that reason na gawin mo tong business na to. Do it. No, mag-STP ka kasi pag meron ka ng income dito, ayan, talagang nakakabili ka ng car. Wala nang reason na hindi mo magawa. Okay? Tapos sabi nung iba, ay ayoko nang tapusin kasi talagang nahirapan ako. Sa ano? Saan ka nahirapan? Lahat ng trainings andito na. So, don't use your excuses. Just do it. No? Sabi ni Bones. Okay? So, yung iba, concern nila, wala silang magagandang damit, wala silang bag na maganda. Of course, hindi yan kailangan. Kailangan dito, malinis lang na pananamit. Pwede na yan. Okay? So, all those excuses are fake. So, don't believe in it. Those are lies for not doing what you should do. Okay? Next slide, please. Ano yung next natin? Guilt. Do you have that? Do you have that guilt? Yes. Pakitype nga dyan kung ano yung mga guilt nyo. Tingnan nga natin kung meron ba kayo. Kasi guilt, you need to admit your faults and change throughout your life. Okay? Kailangan yan kasi, of course, nagmahal ka. Minsan nga, we lied. Nasaktan na tayo. Nawala na tayo. Nag-iba yung direksyon natin because of that guilt. So, yung iba, a lot of things na marami ka nang na-miss. Merong you trusted a lot pero they failed. Tapos you've made mistakes. Marami Yung guilt na yan, minsan nakalimutan na nga natin na meron pala tayong upline. Wala na tayong time na makipag-usap sa upline natin kasi feeling natin marunong na tayo. So that guilt, minsan yan yung nakapag-stop to continue what we've started because of that guilt. So avoid that. Yung pang-aaway ng uplines, yung hindi pag-a-attend ng functions, yung mga gastusin. Minsan we have that guilt kasi hindi ako nag-attend. It's because hindi kaya. Wala pa akong pera pambayad sa mga functions na yun. Kapag functions na talaga, you should find ways. Okay? So, ano pa? Yung time, yung knowledge mo, okay? Yung knowledge mo na dapat mo i-share, hindi mo nagawa, you have that guilt. So, erase all of them. Again, admit your faults and change throughout your life. Okay? Kasi kung ano man yung mga nangyayari na yan, most of all, you have learned. Diba? Yes or yes? May learnings ba tayo? So, yung guilt mo na yan, erase that. Sabi ni John Ice, I have guilt. Yes, tayong lahat, we have that. But the best is i-admit yung faults mo. Tapos you change and then what's important, alam mo that you have learned. Kasi yun yung talagang pinaka-importante. May natutunan ka. So to erase guilt, do what you need to do. Okay? So next slide please. Ano yung first? First na kailangan natin i-give up? Ano? Pakitype nga dyan. Excuses. Second, guilt. Number 3 is negative people. So, ayan. Kailangan natin silang i-give up din yung mga negative people. Marami sila. Alam nyo ba yan? Dami nila sa labas. Okay? Tapos, some people belongs to your past. So, those people, no? They belong to us. So, it's okay. Kasi yung mga tao na yan, kung titingnan mo the positive way, yung mga negative na yan, kung alam mo kung paano titingnan, paano mo i-convert to positive, yung mga taong negative na yan, pag sinabi nilang, hay nako, pumasok ka dyan sa lifestyles na yan, hindi mo kaya yan. Gawin mong challenge yan. Kaya ko to. Sabihin mo sa sarili mo and then, huwag ka nang sumama sa mga tao na yan. Yung mga negative people na yan. Yung mga dream stealers mo. Okay? So, there are some people that we have to keep distance to. 'Di ba? Meron? Meron ba kayo na talagang tong mga taong to, hindi mo na ako sasama sa kanila, hindi mo na ako magpapakita sa kanila. Okay, sabi nga ni Lizelle, wala akong pake sa nega, I'll prove them wrong. Yes, just do it. Kasi pag successful ka na dito, lahat ng negative people na yan, ano din yan, magiging positive na din yan. But sadya lang talaga, may mga tao na super, super negative. Kahit anong gawin mo, napaka-negative talaga nila. So, avoid them. Okay? Avoid negative people. It's not because you hate them or you don't like them, but it's because we know it's the best thing to do. Na iwasan talaga sila. Of course, even our family, we love them. Meron lang talagang sadyang kapamilya natin na negative talaga. So, paano yan? So, distance na lang. Okay? Distance na lang. Paano? Paano daw pag apply mo yung negative, no? So, magdi-distance ka din. I-ano mo na lang yan. Yung apply mo na negative, still on process pa din yan. Hintayin mo na lang, okay? Hintayin mo na lang kasi later on, makukorek din yan as long as hindi yan nag-stop dito sa lifestyles, dito sa business natin. So, negative people, pakit-on lang kuno na you are successful. Yes, that's the way. Okay? So, next slide, please. Number 4 is worry. So again, yung number 1 is excuses. Number 2, guilt. Number 3, negative people. And now, number 4, worry. So, are you friends with worry? Kilala nyo yan? So, worry or overthinking makes you believe in lies. Ayan, we need to avoid that. Give up that worry thing. Hindi natin yan kailangan. Sus, pagtingin sa sa kaulapan, naku, parang uulan. So you get worried kaagad na, ay naku, ay hindi na lang ako lalabas. Kasi pag naabutan ako ng ulan, sigurado ako babaha, baka hindi ako makauwi. Ano pa? Hala, sobrang traffic. Ayan, nakita ko sa news, traffic pala. So, nagwo-worry ka na naman na baka anong oras ka makadating. Ang dami mong worries. Hoy, avoid that. Baka ayaw nila magkita kami. Kasi yung mga kaibigan ko, ano na sila sa ngayon, mayayaman na sila, pero ako, ganito pa rin. So, stop worrying about it. It's the best time for you to go out and avoid that worries. Okay? Yung worries na yan, instead, be happy. You have to be excited. Avoid talaga yung worry na yan kasi it will lead to fear na minsan dahil natatakot na tayo kasi sobra yung nagsisimula from worries, nagiging fearful na tayo. So, hindi na tayo excited kasi ang dami ng fears na pumapasok. So, here, being a student, you need to eliminate that worry as a leader. Okay? As a leader, you are a person who masters the fear and acts in spite of that fear. So, nawawala yung worry na yan kasi you are a leader. So, wala nang fear. Kasi ano ka na, kumakain ka na ng worries, kumakain ka na ng fears, yung mga rejections, kinakain mo na yan lahat. Hindi na yan part of your daily living. It's normal na minsan talagang may nagtitrigger na nawo-worry tayo, but we are in control of it. Yung mga worries. So, erase it. Okay? So, be a firefly to everybody to make them enlightened. Yes, sabi ni Ivy. Okay, ano yung number 5? Next slide, please. Number 5, negative self-talk. So, ayan, kanina, pag opening natin, ang daming mga affirmations. So, dapat i-practice mo din yan, yung mga affirmations. Kasi negative self-talk, napakadali nating ay naku, ang tanga-tanga ko talaga. Sana nag-sign up na sana yun, pero hindi nag-sign up kasi ang tanga-tanga ko. Bakit napakadaling sabihin natin yan sa sarili natin? Tapos, yung may mga downlines na nag-aaway, hindi kayang tapos sabihin sa sarili, ang hina-hina ko kasi, hindi ko sila kayang kausapin. Ayan, kasi ang pangit-pangit ko pa, kaya hindi ako confident mag-talk. So, ayun, yung mga negative self-talk na yan, mo na yan, throw it away. Throw it away. Pag nagsimula na yung mouth mo na nagsasabi, tanga kasi ako, bite it right away. Tapos, sabihin mo sa sarili mo, no, I'm not that. Nagbago na ako. Iba na ako ngayon kasi student ako sa 90-day momentum program or mentor na ako. So, hindi ko na kailangan sabihin yan sa sarili ko kasi hindi yan totoo. Hindi ako ganyan. So, you will say to yourself, I can do anything. Kaya ko. Maganda ako. I am overflowing with love. So, ayan, kapag yan yung andyan sa puso mo, love is overflowing, nothing can stop you. So, lahat na yung mga negative self-talk na yan, na i-erase na yan. Yes, sabi ni Lizelle, I am enough. Of course, we are enough. Yung mga self-talk na yan, you have to print something, ilagay mo dyan sa wall mo, bago ka lumabas ng bahay, yan yung sabihin mo sa sarili mo. Kasi pag na yung buong katawan mo, you cover it, naka-shield ka na you are positive, na iba ka talaga pag lumalabas ka kasi nga dun outside, pag lalabas na tayo sa bahay natin, masasalamuha mo dun lahat ng negativities, negative situations, andun yan sa labas. So, dahil ikaw na ang andyan, ikaw na yung lumabas, you are in control of it. Okay? So, be careful what you declare. Okay? Be careful what you declare because the potential is within you. Kapag palagi mong sinasabi sa sarili mo na tanga ka, na bobo ka, hindi ka maganda, so it's inside you. It's within you. So, kailangan mo talagang pag-ingatan yan. Okay? Be careful. So, declare you are a millionaire. Always say it to yourself, I am going out because I am a millionaire. Kikita ako dito ng milyon-milyon. Kaya kahit ano pang mga negativities outside, lalabanan ko yan. Kayang-kaya ko yan dahil meron akong Panginoon na kasama ko palagi, and I know God puts me here in this business because God wants to use me to be a blessing to many. So ayan, yung last slide ko, eto na. I want everybody to believe in this. Joshua chapter 1 verse 9, sabi dito, have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be frightened and do not be dismayed, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. So ayan, napakasarap po ng promise na yan. Si Lord, si God natin, kasama natin yan saan man tayo mapunta. Whatever situation is it, andun siya. So, all you need to do is trust Him, na minsan talaga nilalagay tayo ni Lord sa mga situations na parang feeling natin hindi natin kaya, but He's just watching us how we fight for it. Para tayong nasa boxing ring na tinitingnan tayo ni Lord kung paano tayo nagbibigay ng suntok natin. So be strong. Students and mentors, kanya tayo ng mga responsibilities right now. So all we need to do is to trust God, to accept God's blessings na nilagay niya tayo dito, tayong lahat, for one purpose. So, it's all about God. Lahat ng ito. Okay? Again, just believe that God is with you wherever you go. So I hope this short topic, makakaano na talaga to, makakatulong to sa atin na we will finish batch 12, lahat dyan, kung sino man yung many times na nag-enroll pero hindi pa rin pumasa, this is your time to trust God as you declare that you will finish the race. Stop wasting your time because time wasted is life wasted. So, tapos na po ako. I hope starting tomorrow, November 1, up to the end of January, lahat excited, lahat strong to finish the race. So thank you very much. Again, congratulations to all the students and to all the mentors. Thank you and good morning.
Wow, thank you so much, Jem Decora, for that powerful talk. Grabe talaga, tagus talaga hanggang buto talaga, no? So I hope na yun talaga, nakapag-open ng mind ng mga students, no? Hindi lang sa students, pati din kami mga GMDs na nakikinig. Salamat talaga, Jem Decora. So, ngayon po, no, to formally close our event, let me call on our last but not the least speaker, no, our closing speaker. So she is a certified public accountant, more than 20 years in the business and achieved the highest position in 3 years. Started with a borrowed 10,000 and now a hotel owner. 2021 runner-up of the highest income earner. Author of the book Do the Abnormal and Earn Abnormal Income. Please help me welcome our beautiful Money Fairy GMD, Eva Aradillos.
Yes sir, yes. Thank you so much. Yung host natin, ang galing. Main speaker, Jem Decora, grabe ka talaga. Of course, si Ramil, GMD Ramil, and GMD Mila, and GMD Blanca, and all my co-GMDs. And of course, mga students natin of batch 12. No? So, ako yung thank you talaga. So, ano yung ano ko dito? I know all of us wanted to be in phase 3. Sino ba dito gusto ng phase 3? Type nyo, me Lord, gusto pa ng phase 3. Babasahin ko yan, no? Yung wealth preservation and enjoying financial freedom. Sino ba? Of course, tayo lahat. Yun ang destination natin. No? Sending our kids to school abroad, having our dream vacation in style, naka-business class talaga, destination natin yan, ha? Excited tayo, of course. And having dream house near the beach or sa forest or in the city. Ano bang gusto nyo? Si Ivy, me, Vanessa, me, Jen, me, Lisel, phase 1 pa ko, soon phase 3, yes. But right now, wala pa tayo niyan, hindi pa tayo sa destination, wala pa tayo sa phase 3, but ang maganda yan, lahat tayo makapunta dyan, no? But right now, kasi most of us are still building our network, no stable income yet, no star players yet, no leadership skill yet, no car yet, no house yet, and maraming utang. No? Meron na akong i-share sa inyo ng 1 nugget of wisdom. No? Pero sa RLT, punta kayo 10 nuggets yung i-share ko sa inyo. So itong 1 nugget of wisdom, paborito ko talaga to, yung quote na to. Slide please. No? Ano bang quote na ano ko dito? Unless you can take care of what you have, you won't get anymore. So, ano bang ibig sabihin yan? No? Merong story. No? Meron akong story, may bata. No? Nagpabili ng ice cream. Tapos, 1 scoop. Kaya lang, hindi siya careful, nahulog yung ice cream. So, meron siyang nakitang triple scoop ice cream. Nagpabibili naman siya, no, sa mami niya. So of course, kung ikaw yung mami niya and you want to teach her a lesson, do you think bilhan mo siya? Ano tingin niyo? Anong sagot niyo? Kung gusto mong turuan ng lesson yung anak mo, hindi siya careful, nahulog yung ice cream. No? So of course, most likely, no. Hindi natin bigyan yung anak natin kasi she's not taking care of what she have, diba? So, kasi ito yung question ng mga bago eh. How can we start GMD? Wala pa akong car, wala akong check na mapakita, Wala pa akong travel testimony. Sabi ni Christine, yeah, hindi. Milo, hindi. Di talaga natin bigyan. So, anong gawin ko dyan? Sinong i-train ko? Wala pa nga akong tao eh. Ako pa lang mag-isa. Ang hirap talaga. Here's what you do. Gawin nyo to, batch 12 students. No? Starts with what you have, from where you are, with what you can. Kasi, meaning, if wala ka pang tao, start with yourself. No? If wala ka pang major testimony, borrow testimony muna. Kasi if you cannot take care of what you have right now, you'll not be given more. Yun ang sabi, di ba? So if nawala yung mga tao mo, you can start with the people na loyal sa mga dreams nila. If negastar ka, sabi ni NMD Jen, negastar, natatawa ako doon, you start from there. Wala kang maraming magandang damit, starts from there. Dadami din ang damit mo. No? So ang gawin mo, do not compare yourself with other people. Baka kasi nasa chapter 8 na sila eh, ikaw nasa chapter 1 pa. Hindi kayo parihan ng umpisa, ma-depress ka lang. So instead of comparing yourself, your today, you compare yourself, do not compare yourself with others, but compare yourself, your today with your yesterday. So if wala ka pang network, start with yourself, grow yourself, improve yourself, develop yourself. And you get that from taking massive actions, by doing massive field work, lot of STPs, because the learning and growing are in the field. And once you have the right mindset, coming from the wisdom, from taking action, and you have the right skills, your belief level will shoot up. And you will have confidence to say, kaya ko pala. And you will attract more and more leaders, more and more money, more and more travels, and more success in your organization. Diba? Sabi nila, Phil, Len, ano sabi nila? Do not waste time to chase butterflies, but make a great garden and butterflies will come to you. So you grow yourself. Kung hindi mo pa nakita yung growth mo sa paligid mo, start from yourself. Show to the universe na kaya mo i-take care kung anong meron ka ngayon para damihan talaga ng ni Lord yan. No? Kasi alam mo, this